Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got some tuna. I'm gonna make this tuna for you. Some mayo. We have dill pickles, bread and butter pickles. And I'm gonna put it on that toasted English muffin and melt it with some of this plastic cheese. It's American cheese. It's the best for melting. And this is my killer tuna melt. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? You ready for a great tuna melt? I am. I'm gonna show you a great way to make tuna really fast, really delicious. And then we're gonna put this baby together in the stove, in the broiler, and melt it. Let's put that tuna together. All right, here's the tuna. This is 2 cans of albacore white. I'm gonna put some pepper in it. No salt because this has got its own sodium. Like I said, these are 2 different pickles. They're really good with the dill, and then you put the bread and butter. It gives you that sweet, tart taste. Mixy. Oh yeah. You can add different things like chopped celery and other things if you want, but this is the best way to make it. Then you put some mayo in, pardon me. Start off with a little, and then mix it in. Mix this up. And then when you get the right consistency, this baby's ready. This needs just a little more mayo. I'm using Duke's, which I like. You can use whatever mayo you like, but try Duke's. It's the best. If you're not sure, watch my video on Duke's versus Best Foods. And also, if you're not sure about pickles, watch my video about dill pickles versus bread and butter pickles. Okay, this is ready. Let's put this baby together. All right, these English muffins are slightly toasted. Now, what I like to do for a little zing, I put a little mustard on the bottom of these. Oh, yeah. Now you take your tuna, dollop it on there. That's right, we're dolloping it. Load it up as much as you want. Oh, I'm feeling good about these. Let's get these ready for the oven. All right, I got like this baking sheet pan, whatever you want to call it. Put those babies there. Take your American cheese and just drape it on there. Oh, that's gonna melt so nice. Dos. All right, the oven awaits. Here those babies are. Here that oven is. It's not set for broil. This should be a few minutes. Can't wait. Well, there they are, out of the oven. Let's plate them up and have a big bite. Once again, there's the close-up. Big bite coming up. Oh yeah, killer tuna melt. You saw how I put it together. Let's see how it tastes. Diving right in. The muffin is crispy, crunchy. The tuna is delicious. I can taste those pickles. Yeah, there's pickles in there. The cheese is perfectly melted. Killer diller. Try these at home. You can buy them at a restaurant. They'll cost a lot more. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. Until next time, peace. Sweet baby!
Live life 365.
Sweet tart taste, in my opinion. Oops. Clean it up. That's what he said. My head's chopped off. That's my wife calling. Hold on a second. Yes, baby.
Hi, baby. How are you?
I'm just finishing a video. Let me call you back, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye, honey. Well, that's good for the outtake. That'll be the funniest outtake ever. My wife calling in the middle. Baba.